How to share profile link on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, tap on the bottom right corner, which is the profile option. As you click on the bottom right corner, then up above you can see your name. In my case it is Aswali9. So you have to remember that, or you have to copy that name. As you copy that name, then go to the Google or any sheet that your mobile is using. Then on this sheet, click over there and write down instagram.com/your username. As you write it like this is your Instagram link. Now you can copy it and send to anybody on Instagram through your story or any other way. This is how you can copy your link of Instagram and send it to other friends. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also please give us a thumbs up. Thanks and have a nice day.